Hey guys, welcome to Lacave-Insight. I'm Marcus, music producer, lighting director, programmer and official MA trainer. This is MA Quick Tips. The question is, what is snap delay? So let's create a simple cue list. Take sequences and store it over there. So let's make an edit. And here we have the snap delay. So what does snap delay do? Okay, let's check this out. Let's create another sequence. Let's say these fixtures with a color of that and maybe this color here and a position like pan over there. Let's say the color a little bit more like this so we can see it better. And we want to insert a gobo like this. Maybe we bring the focus a little bit like this. Okay, that's it. We are going to save it as sequence 29. And now let's apply a fade time of 5 seconds. And let's say go. So you can see everything is fading, but the snap value, in this case our gobo, it's snapping when we were starting the cue. This is because the snap delay is set here to 0. Now we can change this behavior. So let's say we want to change the gobo after 3 seconds. Now we make a snap delay of 3. Go to sequence. Now we can see only the movement and the color is doing something, but the snap values are waiting these 3 seconds, which we entered as a snap delay, and after the 3 seconds, it's then applied. So this is a very cool way. Maybe if you're too lazy to create a second cue for all the snap things, just use snap delay and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.